Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a what's in my work bag. A couple of people have asked me to do this video, so that's what I'm here to do. I'm just gonna do this vlog style because the lighting in my room is not good right now and I really want to film this video. I don't want to give you guys bad quality or bad lighting. Just need to do better videos. It's 2021 and I'm on my way to 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, I just need to up my game and give you guys better quality. I have a camera, but I don't use it. My phone just seems more convenient for me. Let's get into the video. Like I said, it's gonna be vlog style. Also, before I get into this video, I want to let you guys know that I made a dental assisting Instagram page for all dental assistants. If you want to post something on there, all you have to do is DM me and I can post it for you guys. If you guys have a business that you want to share, or if you guys have some information you want all the dental assistants to know, job opportunities, anything like that, it can go on the page. Make sure you guys follow my Instagram. It is called All Things Dental Assisting. Let's get on to the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. So yeah, let me grab my bag and I'll be right back. This is my bag. I got this bag at the K-State outlet. I think it was about 80 bucks. I like it because the material is like a material that you're able to wipe down, lay it down. It's waterproof, that's what it is. And it just says K-State. It has 3 pockets. This pocket, I have my retainer case for my Invisalign that I don't have in right now and that I should. I have my radiation badge that should be at work, but you know, you forget to take it off, and that's it for this first pocket. It's a pretty big pocket, but yeah. So for the next pocket, first thing I have in here is some wipes, because I got these from Target. They were $1 at the dollar section. Easy on the go wipes. Next I have my wallet with my card holder from YSL. Next thing I have in here is a mirror compact, you know, just in case I need to look at something. Next I have my AirPods, of course, and I have this case. I got it for Christmas. My mom got it from Amazon, so yeah, that's what that looks like. Next thing I have my coin purse. This is the Louis Vuitton key pouch. I just keep my coins in here. Next thing I have in here is my key blue light glasses. I'm gonna keep it on. Next thing I have is some hand sanitizer, of course. I also have some lip balm, a EOS lip balm. It's in the flavor lemon, if you guys care. Next I have some this hand lotion from Soap and Glory. My hands stay dry from washing them 24/7, so very important to have some hand lotion. I also have some little wipes, freshening up wipes from Core. This is a vegan, all natural women's hygiene care line. And I also have some feminine products as well, because you never know. I also have a mask because yeah. I also have my keys in here as well. This is my Louis Vuitton key holder. I love it. And I just have my pepper spray and my keys for the office, mailbox, home, car, stamped in pink. For my Louis Vuitton bags, I like to have this so it doesn't scratch them up. And next thing I have in my bag is some vitamins. My Care Of, just in case I forget to take them in the morning. And in the last pocket, I just have a taser. My boss got this for me Don't know how to use it. Should learn how to use it. Kind of scared to use it. Let's see. It's not doing anything. Oh, that's the flashlight. I think it's dead. Here's my taser. I need to charge it. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys comment down below essential things that you guys carry in your bags. Let me know any other videos you guys want to see from me. I will see you guys in my next video.